Welcome to this short meditation. My name is Emil and I will be your guide. Wherever you find yourself, you could be lying down, sitting up somewhere. Could even be walking around, doesn't really matter. But see if you can just gently shift your focus towards your physical body right now. So we explore with an open mind, an open heart, an open belly, how it feels right now to have a physical body. What's alive? What communicates with you? Can you sense any tensions somewhere? Does your body feel light or heavy? If there are any tensions, can you relax those tensions maybe? Just gently allowing those tensions to let go for a while. Go sure that your face is relaxed and that your belly is also relaxed. If you haven't done so already, you can gently close your eyes as well. And in your mind's eye, I would like to invite you to visualize a sky. However that sky comes up, just paint a beautiful picture of a sky in your head. In this meditation, the sky is you, your essence. The clouds, ever changing, coming in and passing over the sky and then disappearing. The clouds are the thoughts, coming and going. Your awareness of the thoughts that are coming and going, that awareness is the sky. And that is you. Never changing, always there. The thoughts that come and go, very fleeting, begging for your attention. You're just noticing them for what they are. They are energy that comes and goes. With ease and effortless awareness, we see those thoughts. We notice them. But we don't cling onto them. The sky can be covered by clouds, completely covered. But the sky is always there. There can be few clouds, and the sky would be more apparent. Take a moment to explore how the sky looks for you right now. Can you allow the clouds to come, change the form, the color, and then slowly disappearing again? Can you rest as that awareness right now? The omnipresent sky. And as a gentle reminder, I remind you that the sky, again, is always there. Even when the clouds are thick and heavy, always remember that the sky is there. Thank you for joining me in this short session. Thank you.